A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 students. I'm Shweta Mishra and I'm going to teach you grammar today. But before that, I would like to ask you all that please watch this video 2-3 times, and if you are having any doubt, you can note it down and ask your class teachers. So let's start with our today's work. Today we are going to study about the seasons. Now we all know that India is a country with variety of seasons. Okay, so we mainly have four seasons in India. They are as spring season, summer season, winter season, and rainy season. So let's see something about the seasons. Some new facts about the seasons that we all are knowing, but let's revise it. So first starting with the summer season. Now as you all know that it is the hottest and the longest season of the year. Now when does the summer season start? It starts from the March and ends in June. At the last of the June it ends. Days are longer and nights are shorter. You will see the summer season. In summer season the days are longer, okay, and the nights become shorter. Now in summer season sun shines brightly and it feels too hot, right? When we are living when we are having summer season, it is too hot, right? We enjoy to eat ice cream, we enjoy cold drinks and different yummy fruits like the mango, watermelon, and different fruits. There are so many fruits during the summer season, right? Now, moving to the next season, that is the spring season. As we all know, spring season is also known as the king of seasons. Okay, day and nights are similar in this season. Flowers bloom in this season. Now, different flowers bloom. Okay, it is a season when different flowers bloom. Trees are having new leaves. Okay, and it is green and fresh everywhere. Okay, birds fly and insects enjoy the new flowers. They dance on the new flowers. They are flying and they are enjoying the new weather. Okay, all the new flowers, new leaves on the trees and everything. It is so beautiful, right? You can see here in the picture, it is full of flowers. This is how spring season looks like. Next is rainy season. Okay, now we all know that nowadays we are having rainy season, right? It is raining outside. When you are looking at, sometimes it is not raining, but most of the time it is raining. Now this is the rainy season that we are having right now. Okay, it starts from July and ends in September. It rains heavily during this season. Now kids make paper boat and play with it. Now you all, when you are seeing a water logging on the roads or somewhere near your house, what do? You go and make a paper boat, right? And you sail that boat in that water and you enjoy playing with it, right? Plants, trees, everything become more greener. When it rains, all the plants become greener, because we all know that when we give water to the plant starts growing and the leaves become more green. All the dust and dirt from there is washed away and the leaves become more and more greener. Okay, now what do we do to protect ourselves in rainy seasons? We wear raincoats and take umbrellas to protect ourselves from getting wet in the rainy season, right? Now the fourth season is winter season. Okay, now after rainy season, which season will come? It will be the winter season. Now today we are going to study about winter season only. Now winter season comes after rainy season. We all know that right now it is rainy season. When the rainy season will end, the winter season will start. Okay, now what happens in the winter season? Let's see. We all know that it starts after the rainy season. Now what is happening in this season? Let's see. During this time, the weather remains cold. As we all know that we wear sweaters and jackets to protect ourselves uh, from the cold weather outside, right? So it is very cold during this season. Next is people wear warm woolen clothes like sweaters, jacket, gloves, etc. As we all know that this is very important for us to wear during this season, because if we will not wear, we will fall sick, right? If we will not wear these sweaters and jackets, we can fall sick, because it is very cold outside. Okay, it is very and very much cold outside, so we wear woolen jackets and sweaters, scarves, muffler, gloves, etc. That is made out of what? That is made out of wool that we get from the sheep. Okay, so it is also very important for us to wear these things during winter season. Okay, because these protect us from getting cold and cough, and protects us and also protect us from getting sick during this season. Okay, so we should always wear woolen cloths like the jackets, mufflers, gloves, everything. Okay, next is the days become shorter and nights become longer. In summer season, we have studied that nights are shorter and days are longer, right? But in winter season, what happens? The sun sets down quickly and we have longer nights. Okay, and the days are shorter. If you will see in winter season, you can see around 5:30 or 6 o'clock, you will see that it is dark outside, right? But when you are seeing in the summer season at 6 o'clock, it is not dark. So you will know that then you can see the changes. Now the winter seasons are coming, you can notice the changes, students, as we all know that the days become shorter and the night becomes longer during the winter season. Now, next, people like to drink hot tea and coffee, as we like to drink cold drink and ice and eat ice creams in summer season because it is so hot. So in winter season, what do people do? They like to eat, drink hot coffee or tea or hot soup because it gives warmth to our body. Okay, and that makes our body more warmer, and it helps us from preventing the cold to get us to us, right? So we should always drink hot soup or tea. People like to drink during these things, right, during this season. Next, people like to sit near fire. As we all know that it is winter season, it is very cold, and fire gives us warmth, right? So people like to sit near the fire and enjoy the fire. They just sit near it and relax during the nights or in the daytime also. So we'll see people sitting near fire and enjoying it. Right, in your house also you must be sitting near fire during the winter seasons. So it is a very it is a hobby of people, like it becomes a hobby of people during that time. They sit near the fire and enjoy it. Okay, I like winter season very much. Now, I like winter season because we have so many things to do, right? We feel so energetic during season. We can go out and we can feel the cool wind blowing through our face and all these things. And so everyone loves winter season. Okay, I hope you all also love winter season as I also love winter season. Now, students, let's see the short essay on winter season together. So, winter season comes after the rainy season. During this time, the weather remains cold. People wear warm woolen cloths like sweaters, jacket, gloves, etc. The days become shorter and night becomes longer. People like to drink hot tea and coffee. People like to sit near fire. I like winter season very much. So let's read it one more time. Winter season. Winter season comes after the rainy season. During this time, the weather remains cold. People wear warm woolen cloths like sweaters, jacket, gloves, etc. The days become shorter and nights become longer. People like to drink hot tea and coffee. People like to sit near fire. I like winter season very much. So students, this is your homework also. You have to write the short notes on winter season in your grammar copy. With that, you have to draw two pictures of the things that you wear in winter season. Like you can draw the picture of gloves or the picture of sweater, jacket, muffler, anything. Okay, that you wear in winter season. So this is your homework also. So I hope everyone understood everything. So thank you everyone and have a great day. Thank you.